There's something magical about a small front yard that feels intentional. In today's makeover, we're transforming a compact entryway into a rustic Japanese-Balinese inspired sanctuary, where farmhouse warmth meets tropical serenity. Imagine walking through a handcrafted wooden gate, hearing gravel softly crunch underfoot, and instantly feeling calm. Stay with me, because the smallest design decision at the gate will set the tone for everything that follows. The gate is more than an entry, it's a promise. We chose a solid wood gate with matte black farmhouse hardware for character and durability. The rustic finish blends beautifully with Japanese minimalism. Practical tip number 1, choose weather-treated cedar or teak for longevity in humid climates. In the next section, you'll see how fencing can elevate privacy without sacrificing elegance. A well-designed fence creates security and serenity. Vertical wooden slats spaced slightly apart allow airflow while maintaining privacy, perfect for a tropical or Balinese patio vibe. The natural stain complements farmhouse textures while honoring Japanese restraint. Have you ever noticed how the right fence can make a small yard feel expansive? Let's step inside and see how pathways create that illusion. Gravel is timeless, affordable, and incredibly low maintenance, ideal for small front yards. Inspired by Japanese garden design, we used neutral-toned gravel to reflect light and make the space appear larger. Practical tip number 2, install a weed barrier fabric underneath to minimize maintenance. This simple hack saves hours of upkeep annually. But what truly softens gravel's structure? Lush greenery. To blend rustic farmhouse with tropical warmth, we layered dwarf palms, ornamental grasses, and compact shrubs. Japanese gardens value asymmetry and balance, so we avoided rigid symmetry. Practical tip number 3, choose low-maintenance plants like boxwood, dwarf bamboo, or bird of paradise for structure and movement. In the next section, I'll share a mistake I once made when designing small gardens. Years ago, I overcrowded a small entry garden with too many statement plants. The result? Visual chaos and high maintenance. This time, restraint became our superpower. By leaving intentional negative space, the garden feels calm and curated. If you've ever felt tempted to add just one more plant, you're not alone. Let's talk about how patios anchor the entire look. Even a modest patio can feel luxurious. We use textured stone pavers framed by wood edging to connect farmhouse warmth with Japanese elegance. A small teak bench adds Balinese charm. Practical tip number 4, seal stone pavers annually to preserve color and prevent moss buildup. Curious how lighting transforms the space at night? It's where the real magic begins. Low-voltage warm lighting tucked beneath shrubs and along the fence creates a golden glow. Think subtle, not spotlight bright. Japanese style values atmosphere over excess. Solar lanterns with rustic metal frames enhance the farmhouse aesthetic. Imagine welcoming guests at dusk. The garden becomes unforgettable. But we're not done. Texture plays a powerful role too. Reclaimed wood, smooth river stones, woven outdoor textiles, each element adds depth. Japanese gardens celebrate natural materials, and farmhouse decor embraces imperfection. Together, they feel soulful. Try combining rough wood with polished stone for contrast. In the next section, we'll focus on low-maintenance design strategies that busy homeowners adore. The goal is beauty without burden. Use drip irrigation systems to reduce watering time. Choose perennial plants that thrive in your climate zone. Practical tip number 5, mulch generously to retain moisture and suppress weeds. A low-maintenance garden isn't about compromise, it's about smart planning. Let me share how water features elevate tranquility without overwhelming a small yard. compact stone basin fountain inspired by Balinese design adds soothing sound without dominating space. The gentle trickle masks street noise and enhances relaxation. I once installed a fountain that was too large, it consumed the patio visually. Smaller truly is better here. Next, we'll refine the entryway styling. Your entryway should feel curated, not cluttered. A rustic clay pot with a sculptural plant makes a statement. Add a woven outdoor rug under the bench to soften hard surfaces. This small styling moment creates warmth that feels welcoming yet elevated. But how do we keep it seasonal? Switch cushion covers, rotate potted flowers, or add subtle lantern accents. Japanese style leans into seasonal transitions, celebrating change. In autumn, incorporate muted grasses. In spring, soft blossoms. These shifts keep the garden engaging year-round. Up next, let's address small front yard curb appeal. Thoughtfully designed small garden increases perceived home value dramatically. Clean lines, cohesive materials, and intentional lighting appeal to high-end buyers. Farmhouse warmth combined with tropical Japanese influence feels unique yet timeless. Have you ever considered how your front gate frames first impressions? This particular yard had an awkward slope near the fence line. Instead of fighting it, we terraced slightly using timber edging. The solution added depth and dimension. Sometimes challenges become design opportunities. In the next section, we'll tie all design elements together. The secret lies in balance. Too much tropical feels busy, too much Japanese feels stark, too much rustic feels heavy. By layering thoughtfully, the result is serene yet welcoming. The gate, fence, patio, and plants now speak the same design language. Ready for the final transformation reveal? A small front yard can change how you feel every time you come home. There's pride in craftsmanship, peace in greenery, and joy in simplicity. I've seen homeowners fall back in love with their property after small upgrades like these. What would it feel like to step into your own sanctuary daily? Rustic farmhouse charm blended with Japanese and Balinese tranquility proves that size doesn't limit impact. With smart fencing, a welcoming gate, low-maintenance planting, and a cozy patio, your small front yard can feel luxurious and intentional. Start with one element, perhaps the gate, and let the transformation unfold step by step.